This presentation is based on the dating and relationship program Make Him Desire You by Alex Carter. Have you ever seen a guy at a casino who just can't stop gambling even though he keeps losing money? Why is he doing that? He logically knows that he is losing money and can even go completely broke if he continues, yet he simply can't stop himself. Why is this? This is because during gambling, a man's system experiences a heavy surge of hormones commonly known as the pleasure hormones. They are so addictive that a person forgets all logic and keeps going in the direction of their goal. The good news is that you can trigger these same pleasure hormones in a man's body and make him feel almost an uncontrollable addiction towards you. Whenever he will be around you, he will only experience emotions such as love, attraction, excitement, and will even find himself wanting, needing and craving your love, like a little kid craves it from his mother. He will squirm with this strong inner desire for you, which will send a jolt of blood rushing through his body that will force him to feel an almost biologically driven desire for you. He will constantly be emotionally hungry and you will be his fix. You will become the source of his emotional fulfillment. Without you he will be like fish without water. In fact, just doing this one thing alone will make him fixate on you so deeply that no other woman will be able to satisfy this intense inner urge he will experience. And as a result he will have no other woman to go to, but you. He will subconsciously feel urges to do nice things for you. Not only this, you will become so important to him that he will feel like you're 100 times more interesting, in comparison to any other woman out there. So now you must be wondering, how do I do it? Here is how. You may follow the link below to go on watching.